Hello. In this video, we will see how can we generate image dynamically from data received from Webhook and sent to users via WhatsApp. So go to Automation Builder. Here, add the trigger as Webhook. Select Custom Webhook. Give appropriate title. And then click on Generate Hook. Click on Capture Incoming Webhook. I'm entering the data manually here. Okay, so I have received name and number here. Click on Save. Now, in the next block, select Dynamic Image Generator. Select Generate Image Experience. Here from the drop down, you can select the image experience. So I am taking test 1 here. So this is the image under test 1. I will map the variable. So name. And then let's click on Run and Save. Okay, click on Save. Next, add a CRM block. Select Send Template Message V2. Select Channel from the drop down. Select Template. This is the template that I have already created. So I will select Dynamic Certificate from the drop down. Here map the WhatsApp number. So I received it from Webhook. And under header image, I will map data. And again, body variable 1 for my template was name. So I'm using it again here. Click on Save. Save this workflow, enable it, and give it a try.